Replacement of nutrients in the soil. As already you know, there are lot of nitrogen in the atmosphere. From the atmosphere, some bacteria convert the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogen salt and release in the soil. From there, the plant absorbs the nitrogen. So there are some fungus live in the roots of the plants. Roots of the plant provide shelter and food to the fungus, while fungus provide important nutrients to the plant. So this is the example of symbiotic relationship, symbiosis. But because of continuous farming, nutrients keep declining in the soil. They are depleted from the soil. They need to be replenished in the soil. Hence, to replenish those nutrients, fertilizer are added to the soil. Plant require a lot of nitrogen to grow and to be healthy. Although a lot of nitrogen is available in the atmosphere, but plant cannot absorb these nitrogen in gaseous form directly. They can absorb the nitrogen in the soluble form. So there is a bacterium called rhizobium which lives in the root nodules of legumes such as gram, mungs, etc., known as leguminous plant. These bacteria can absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere and make it available for the plants. Rhizobium cannot make their food, hence it provides nitrogen to the legumes, and in return legumes provide them food and shelter. So this is an example of symbiotic relationship. This has great importance for the farmer. Field in which leguminous plants are grown from time to time do not need addition of nitrogenous fertilizers, that is green fertilizers or green manure for the plant, for the soil, for the better growth of the plant. This is the advantageous form of fertilizer for the soil. It does not change the chemical nature of the soil. It will improve the water holding capacity of the soil for the better growth of the plant. So between two field, between the crops of between two crops, the farmer need to grow leguminous plant between two crops in a year. It will help to improve the fertility of the soil, and for the better growth, better quality and better quantity, more quantity of the crops the farmer can get. Frequently asked questions: what is the meaning of the word symbiosis? It is a relationship between two organisms in which both the organism benefit each other. What is lichen? Lichen is a composite organism formed because of symbiosis of algae and fungi. Give an example of symbiotic relationship. A small bird called plover clean the crocodile teeth. The crocodile keep its mouth open and bird take out meat fiber stuck between the teeth. The bird gets food in lieu of providing dentist services to the crocodile. How do nutrients get replenished in the soil? There are two main means through which nutrients get replenished in the soil. One of them is the nitrogen fixation in the soil, and another one is decomposition of dead remains of plant and animal, that is manure, in the soil. What is rhizobium? Rhizobium is a bacterium, as you know already. What is the function of rhizobium? Rhizobium convert atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form of nitrogen salt for the plant. How does rhizobium help farmers? By helping in nitrogen fixation, rhizobium increases soil fertility and thus help farmers. Why do farmers prefer to sow leguminous plant? Leguminous plant carry out nitrogen fixation in soil and thus improve soil fertility. In which form do plant absorb nitrogen? Plant absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrates. So I request all of you, one should grow and care one plant in your life, because plant is the lungs of world. Thank you.